What's up YouTube, it's Jung. Today my family and I we're going to do Dolphin cruise. 30 p.m. I bought the ticket at 30 p.m. Here is the Alabama Dolphin cruise boat. Oh my god, I'm going to see dolphin today. Yay! Now we are waiting. 7 minutes more to go. Now 2:53.
To the south, had a top put on, AC footage. She's been watching marine mammals her whole life. She is an old wooden boat. We work really hard to try to keep her nice, clean, safe, and presentable for everybody to enjoy. So please take care of us at the end of the trip. We work for tips on the trips, and that goes into the tip jar. It's right there. How's everybody? You ready to go find some dolphins?
Yes.
Right, there's no alcohol allowed on a boat, so if you have alcohol, you're going to have to leave it here if you don't want to lose it. Come on, everybody, let's go.
Let's go. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, Daddy gonna help you. See you tonight. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Or did you just sit down there better? Oh.
That way you can see it.
Yep. Yeah, but push baby faster. Oh, okay. Come here. Along the way. Go squish it.
How's everybody doing? Hey guys, my name is Ryan. Alright, the pretty girl is Megan. Guys, if y'all need something, come grab us. We make this we can, alright? Marie, you ready to tell you guys earlier, guys? We're gonna have dolphin. We're not saying you guys.
So we're going to play something called the Dolphin Challenge. This is the first dolphin of the trip. It is good for one person. If you see a dolphin and show me or a crew member a dolphin in the water around a boat somewhere before I call it out, you get a free drink from the bar. That's good for the first dolphin of the trip. It's one person. If I call it out first, all bets are off.
That's too hot. Come here, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me. Don't forget the thumbs up. Bye bye.
Bye.